We will learn the importance of computers in our lives. Computer, laptop, iPad, or mobile. They all are machines. We can do online shopping these days with the help of these machines. We can also call them devices. The computer helps us do the online banking. We can send money from one place to another through the help of these devices. My daddy works from home through these machines. And my classes are also going on online with the help of these devices. I can talk to my teachers and my fellow students and study online. When we go on drive, Daddy also clicks the Google Maps for the direction. I use Google to search a lot of things. And there is a lot of information on YouTube as well. These devices also help us to connect with people through social media. That could be email, WhatsApp, chat,